everything is made out of plastic, and it's actually very light. I have to admit that everything smells a bit of plastic. Here we have a chest mount, so you put it just like a bra. Pretty solid. Here we have a mount for your head with silicone tape. I don't know. It smells very bad, I have to admit. Here we have a wrist support, and gosh, it smells so bad of plastic. It smells like a burned plastic. I don't know. It's actually pretty good, but the smell, it's awful. So the other one is for the immersion for the sea or pool. This one is for your cap or perhaps a backpack. So this one is better. It's pretty strong and doesn't smell so much. So, and the plastic is pretty solid, so this one will last. Then we have the adhesive support and the attachment for the tripod. Oh yeah, perhaps you may attach it with the scotch. Then we have the support for the car. It's actually pretty good. The plastic is solid as well, and yeah, it's good. It's good. You can adjust the angle. Here we have other attachments with the screw, a longer one and a shorter, and a pipe mount, or so you can place it, I don't know, on a pipe or a bike or a motorcycle. Then we have this band strap. I don't know what it's for. Well, we have this attachment, and I don't even know what it's for, but it smells very bad, so I think I won't use it. Then I have this plastic arm. Everything here is made out of plastic, apart from screws and nuts, everything. So we have other attachments with another adhesive one, the screws, and this plastic arm, which is pretty strong, but it's also pretty short. I don't know why, for what you might use it. Here we have another package. I see other attachments. Yeah, other attachments for the others we have seen before. So for that kind, and other screws, and it's a screwdriver, so you can screw with applying more torque. Be careful since it's made out of plastic. And we have this bag, plasticky bag, which you can actually close it. And the last one is right here. It's adhesive. Yeah. So I don't know.